Hello all, I'm going to demonstrate how to use a question pool to add questions to an assessment in Ultra. So I've already added two pools here. You'll notice that it's pulling 10 questions from however many questions you select from the pool. And then you can determine at the end how many points each of those questions are going to be worth rather than doing it inside of the bank. So I'm going to add a third question pool for chapter 3 here. And I'm just going to select add question pool. There's a number of ways you can do this. The easiest way is to actually go over to the left hand side here and select the one chapter or area you want to pull from. And in this case, we actually have multiple choice and essay, and clearly it would take forever and a day to check each of these boxes. So the easiest thing to do is to select all and then go down and deselect the essay questions. In this case, we only want the multiple choice. You do want to take a look as you're building these question pools to see what types of questions are in here, and if that's not clarified in the I-Plan, then you want to clarify that with the LA, which I've done in this case. So let me go all the way down to the essays. They're pretty far down there, bear with me. All right, here we go. So we're going to deselect those essay questions. Deselect. There we are. And we're going to go, and again, you don't need to manipulate the points here. We're going to do it all at once it adds it to the test. So here we go, add questions. There's our next question pool where we want 30 total points here with 10 questions for each of the 3 pools of chapters is 3 points per question. And then we're going to tell it we want the 10 questions. Oh, come on. There we go. 10 questions from this pool as well. Now we're going to go ahead and save that. So we have 10 questions from chapter 1, 10 questions from chapter 2, and 10 questions from chapter 3. You always want to leave this selection as no at the bottom of an assessment or assignment. And if we go up here, we are at 90 points. So actually, good thing I've got my math going here. This time, we'll do 1 point each. There we are. Thank goodness for self-check points, right? There we go. So 30 points for the total quiz here, and we are all set with this particular assessment.